Have you tried applying this too on your skin? If you have not tried it before, you have to try it now. Vaseline and baking soda will make you achieve a great skin naturally with no blemishes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you how to take care of your skin using Vaseline with baking soda. I'm also going to add some few ingredients you can find right in the kitchen, mixing them together to achieve best results. In case you are new here, you are welcome. I really appreciate you. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you as well. So on this channel, I share beauty tips and also health tips. You can go through my videos. You will see so many that will help you greatly. So if you love beauty tips like this, go on and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So this is baking soda. This paste you are seeing here contains about 4 to 5 ingredients that you can get right from your kitchen. Mixing them together, you can get rid of rough skin. If you have rough skin, you have tiny bumps, you have tiny pimples. If your skin is not even, this will help you greatly. This will also help to get rid of acne marks like dark spots. Yes, it works greatly. So just continue watching because I will explain why you should add Vaseline with them for best result. So baking soda is a very good exfoliant. It exfoliates the skin to remove dead skin cells. It reveals a beautiful skin, a clear looking skin that we love. Also, baking soda helps to minimize so much oil from the skin, especially if you have oily skin. I have an oily skin, and once in a while I use it because to reduce so much oiliness and also to balance the skin pH and make me have a flawless skin. So I love baking soda a lot. Baking soda also helps to get rid of acne, like I just explained earlier. So I have coffee here, coffee ground. Coffee is very good. It's a very good antioxidant that helps to slow down aging process. If you have wrinkles, fine lines, it will get rid of it slowly, but you'll be seeing the effectiveness. Slowly, it works. So another good thing about coffee is that it gets rid of dark under eye circle. Those that have dark under eye circle, dark patches, some blemishes, it helps to get rid of it. It repairs the skin, like restoring your skin back to normal. Coffee also helps to exfoliate the skin to remove dead skin cells. So we have 2 exfoliants. Yes. So I also added turmeric, and that is because I want to have a brighter, clearer skin. Turmeric helps to make sure you have a clearer skin. A neat, beautiful skin that glows. It glows the skin. It gets rid of some impurities from the skin. It makes sure your skin is not looking dull. So if you have dull looking skin, please try turmeric in your treatment. You will love it. Turmeric also helps to prevent sunburn. It's not totally a cure for sunburn. You have to combine with something else to cure sunburn, but it can actually prevent sunburn. So turmeric glows. It brightens the skin or lightens the skin. It also helps to prevent sunburn. So just get these 4 ingredients, Vaseline making it 4, and it's time to tell you the measurements that to get the right consistency so that the remedy will not be watery and so that it will not be so thick. I added 1 tablespoon of baking soda, then half tablespoon of coffee, then I added half tablespoon of turmeric powder. If you want your skin to lighten, then you want to get more brighter, you have to increase the quantity of your turmeric powder, and you're all good. So you have to mix together. Yes, you can use rose water or a plain water. I prefer rose water because you surely benefit a lot from rose water. Rose water glows the skin. It balances the skin's pH. It controls the skin, like getting rid of excessive oil, also hydrating the skin if you have dry skin. So use it to mix together little by little until it turns the way you want, semi-liquid and semi-solid, not so thick and not so watery. So why you should add Vaseline is for those people that have sensitive skin. If your skin is very sensitive, please add a little of Vaseline. If your skin is oily, please add Vaseline. Vaseline is very moisturizing. It helps to lock in moisture into the skin, preventing your skin from sagging, reduces wrinkles and fine lines. It moisturizes the skin and makes sure your skin is looking so smooth and supple. Vaseline in this treatment will help to reduce the harshness of the baking soda, because baking soda on its own can irritate or be so harsh on your skin if you have sensitive skin. So add some Vaseline and mix together before adding your water. Like before adding your water, just add Vaseline, mix them together, until you get the right consistency you want. So it's time to remove all makeups, wash off all makeup, so that this treatment will be able to penetrate well and work better. So I'll just go right now to apply this treatment because I don't have makeup, my skin is naked, and just apply it the right way for effective results. So after applying this treatment on your skin, you have to allow it for some time. Like I have an oily skin, I don't have sensitive skin. Okay, though you can have an oily skin and also have sensitive skin. Those people that are very prone to acne, you have oily skin and also prone to acne, everything irritates your skin. It's possible to have these two, but I have only oily skin, so I can just my skin can just stand this remedy without applying Vaseline. And also, I don't usually apply Vaseline because I have oily skin, so it is going to increase the oiliness. But it's very important for the skin totally. I apply it on my hand to moisturize it, and also my feet to get rid of those wrinkles and so much dryness. It helps greatly. I apply it on my lip as well, like I'm going to do right now. If you apply baking soda on your face, you notice that your skin will be feeling somehow like a tingling. Okay, that is to show you that it's working. So you don't need to leave it on longer than 5 minutes if you have sensitive skin. So just apply Vaseline on your lip to keep it moisturized during this treatment or after this treatment. So I'm going to go right now to wash it out after the right time. I'll be right back. Though I leave it on 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just leave it on. If you notice some hotness, wash it out and I'll be right back. So after rinsing it out, if you notice a clearer skin, your skin will get very smooth because you just exfoliated it. So when you're rinsing it out, you have to scrub gently. This helps greatly if you have acne. If you have severe pimples, acne, do not scrub, just rinse it out gently. So this also helps to minimize dark spots. With continuous use, you will see that those dark spots will fade away permanently. Just have to use this treatment 3 times or twice weekly to get rid of dead skin cells, to have a baby skin, to minimize acne, pimples, to make sure your skin is looking like a baby. This is a very natural treatment but works greatly. You benefit so much from it because it also contains anti-aging properties that helps to make sure you are looking younger and younger always. So repeat this treatment 3 times or twice weekly, like I said, and also follow up with a very good moisturizer so that your skin will not be dried out. But in case you applied Vaseline, no problem. After washing it out, you can apply Vaseline or not. That is it for now. Make use of this treatment and you will never regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.